So today is beauty day. I have a flight to Doha in 2 days for a wedding. I'm so excited. It's my first ever Indian wedding. So today is haircut, Suyan, and then now I'm at Avignon for some facial. And then I'm gonna have drip, foot spa, pedicure, manicure. It's so hard to be a girl. And on top of that, I haven't packed anything yet. So I'm gonna be gone for a week. And this past week is super busy, just like packing everything and making sure like everything goes to the maleta and we don't forget anything for Doha. That's it. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Busy lang?
Yes, po. Magkakasabay lang. Ang dami mo lang ano sa amin ah.
Na ano?
Ang dami mo natin sa amin.
Ay, syempre. Some packages that we will unbox. I shopped. Is this? I got a small bag. Sale. It was on sale. Okay. It's a bit big. There was a white. There's a white straps.
But it's the same strap.
No, it's a leather straps. It's cute.
They do not match.
Okay, so this is one. It's spacious. It fits my camera. No, this is just me walking around the hotel with my key card. For evening, I don't have like a silver bag. I need to do a garage sale. Christopher Esber.
Oh no.
It's low. I just need low stuff so I could move well.
I love the color.
Green. We have a lot of like outdoor functions. Okay, that's one. Loeffler Rambo. It's just black with straps. Because my like this is Atiko, no straps.
Cute, I like it.
It's all strappy. Even this one. Another Cult Gaia in gold. It's all thin, strappy, low heels.
Para useful na.
Next up is Gani boots, pointy. Oh, work boots. Cute. Okay.
Super useful.
That's it. Love, love, love. I hope they fit well. Hi, babe. You approve my buying? And I have a visitor. Look. Lucia! Where's Tata? Oh no!
How can she drink?
Oh no!
She seems so outgoing.
You like the boots? Send mo kay Isa. Mommy, I want shoes! Good job! Get your hat!
Bye guys, enjoy. Promise.
Sabi mo ba sa akin, ang cute naman ng deck!
Cute naman! Guys, here's the situation. I have a flight at 6 p.m. It's 12:13. I need to leave at 1. I have an event. My event is at 2 to 3, and then I come home at 4, and then I have to pack. Look at the situation. I'm gonna cry. We unboxed this the other day. So the plan is go to my diamond for work, and then I have to drop by Aberdeen. I know I went the other day, but I still have the pimple. I need to have it injected before I fly out. And then I leave at 4:30 to the airport. I'm cutting it too close. My flight is 6:45. I haven't even buttoned my shirt. That's how hectic it is. Okay, what a day. Check what I got for my time. I just had to get it. I forgot all my rings. I was in a hurry today. So nothing, but I want to place it here because I wear my engagement ring and my wedding band here. Cute! You like it? So I'm here at Aberdeen because there's an emergency. I need this pimple injected before my flight. Go up, go fast. I don't know how to pimple. Thank you, Abby. Thank you. To rush to the airport. Okay.